So we actually have the entity tokens module available to us after we downloaded and installed the entity API module. So if we go to modules and we do a search for token, you see we have entity tokens here. And so we can check this and click Save Configuration, and that should give us what we need. Okay, I'm going to go back to our formatters by going to Structure, Formatters, and then for our personal page link with username, I'll click Edit. And now we'll click on tokens. Again, we want to get the URL from the link, and we'll open up users down here and scroll down. And now we have personal site, and you see we have this new option here, user field personal site, colon, and then a question mark. So it gives us a little bit of an explanation here. It says field personal site, the following properties may be appended to the token. And by appended, it means replacing this question mark right here. So we can use either the title or the URL. So let's copy this here, and we'll go up to our formatter and we'll replace our placeholder with user field personal site. And then we're going to replace this question mark with URL, and that should give us what we need. So let's scroll down to the bottom and click Save.